Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Olight. Now this here is their i3T EOS. Now they sent this to me. They wanted me to test and review this light. Now they are having a huge sale event, so they wanted me to have this review ready to go so you guys can see it in action. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Start off here with the user manual. Well detailed instructions as well, how to use the light. Now we're going to go ahead and use the specs here. You've got 180 lumens on the highest output, and remember this is only running a AA cell. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. Now this here is the brass version, and that's all there is in the box. Now it is vacuum sealed in plastic, of course. So we're going to go ahead and open this. There is a little indentation here where you can simply rip this just like that. Once you get your hands on it, brass is known to tarnish a little bit, so these are definitely, you know, your special metal, precious metals, that is. And there it is. Now I have a lot of precious metal Olight flashlights in my collection that I've had over the years doing reviews for them, and this is definitely very nice. Now I've done a review on this, but it was in black, and this really is a lot heavier than that other one as well. Really heavy. Tail clicky. Got your two-way clip here. Now you can remove it if you don't want it. And it's got some good resistance on there. Got the grooves here on the body, look really nice. Very compact, easily fit in the palm of your hand. Now the style and design on this is very nice. Definitely with the precious metals, copper, stainless steel. You've got brass here. That stainless steel I like a little more than I do the copper, because I'm always having to clean the copper off. And of course the machining and finish on this is excellent. No issues whatsoever. They matched the clip with that. Looks good. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the special optics here. Try to get my camera to zoom in there. This is running the Philips Lexion TX LED. Can't see too much behind there because it is very much magnified. Good quality rubber on that, nice and stiff. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides. There's the tail spring, pretty heavy duty for its size. Now this is a complete kit. It does come with a battery, a regular alkaline battery. So now let me bring out a different battery I'm going to be using in this test here. AC Delco. These are the super alkaline. I've had really good luck with these. That and Amazon Basics have done really well for me. So we're going to go ahead and put it back together. Easy as that. Now let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward on this. Just like that, activating the light. And then you full press it again. 180 lumens. Actually is a lot of light. Just imagine back in the day when you had a big old mag light that was putting out maybe 35 lumens to calculate it. Or back in the day they used candlelight power, but you only had about 30 lumens, and it's putting out this little thing, putting out 180. Never would have thought that back in those days. Beam looks really good. It's got a centralized hotspot here, a lot of bleeding around the edges, and then the spill area tapers off, as you can see. That just tapers off. Full press that again. You can half press this as well to go through those light outputs. Once you get it on the light output that you want, you can full press that at that time. So really easy to operate. No special modes on this. Not needed, especially for something you're going to carry in your pocket or on your jacket or anything like that. Extra, backpack. Definitely. This here I wouldn't carry that way because someone could steal it, but you definitely want to carry this one close. Speaking of close, let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Olight brass. So let's go ahead and get this started. 35 feet to that water spout from where I'm standing. Remember, this is only running on a AAA cell, but looks great too. Gonna see about 35 feet, usable that is. So now we're gonna go to the next level here, see how it does. "65 feet to this tree there from where I'm standing, all coming from this little light. Do a beam profile behind my hand. Kind of pan around here a little bit. And it is faintly making the tree of life. Now that's 138 feet. If I can see it with my eyes, it's definitely usable. On the faint side, but you can definitely see it light up the whole thing. It's impressive. Alright. We'll end it here in the water spout. Only 2 levels on this light, so impressive light output for its size. Great for everyday carry. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive light output for this size of light. Basically the size of one of your fingers. And that is just a lot of light coming out of here. Now I do recommend using an Energizer lithium cell, one-time use, still 1.5 volts. You're going to get really good run times out of this. Now of course, using it on the highest output, your battery performance and runtime drops a lot, but using it on the lowest light output, pretty incredible how long this will last. Impressive build quality, of course, never fails with Olight. Had some really good luck with them. You do get a precious metal light. You're gonna have to clean this and polish it regularly to keep it looking its best. So that could be one drawback versus the black or other colored versions that are painted. So one little drawback, but if you like the precious metals and you can just simply, clean this off. I used a Tarnex just to wipe it on, rinse it off. Works great for me. I have had no issues, so that works great as well. All in all, just a very impressive flashlight. Great for everyday carry. Now I want to thank Olight for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, remember it's a complete kit, does come with that battery. If this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description, including special discount code. They're having special sales events as well. You can save even more on different products. So check out their website. You're going to see a lot of great deals going on right now. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Olights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.